So let's start by drawing a simple circle. Now it doesn't have to be a perfect circle, but just try to get it as good as possible. Now divide the circle into 2/3 using two lines. Now if you don't know the accurate proportions, then just leave some space below and above. Now start drawing the side plane. This side plane will give us the side of the face and the angle of the face. And once you're done drawing, just divide it into 4 equal quadrants. So I'm just going to select this and I'm going to increase the size to match our reference. Now start by drawing a simple curve at the center of the circle, and this curve should merge with the center line of the side plane. And then start drawing another line from the top of the head and extend it all the way below the circle. This will give us the direction of the nose or the direction of the face. Now draw a line at the top of the side plane and at the bottom of the side plane. This will give us the brow line and the nose area. Now start drawing the jawline, just simple lines, and chin, and extend the jawline, and then extend it all the way to the side plane, to the bottom of the side plane. Start drawing the neck and the shoulders. You don't have to be perfect or accurate, just try to get as many strokes as you can and get it done. And once you're done, I'm just going to lower the opacity of this layer and create a new layer, and then I'm going to select blue color, and then I'm just going to color this with blue color because I want to draw on top of this one. And I'm going to start drawing the jawline now. Simple straight lines I'm using for the chin and the jaw, and just extend this jaw and connect it to the side plane. So the jawline follows a simple shape. So these are just straight lines, and then you connect it to the chin and you extend it and all the way to the side plane, and that's where we start drawing the ear. But first we're going to start drawing the eye, and this line represents the brow line. That's where we draw the eyebrows of the character. So I'm just going to start drawing the eye and just try to do what I'm doing here, a simple curve shape, and then just start with simple strokes and then just thicken the strokes as you go by and start shaping this rough structure into the shape of an eye. And because we're drawing an anime boy, the shape of the eye should be very sharp, and just use curves while drawing the eye, the inside of the eye, and a circle at the center. Now draw another line and then a circle again, and then fill this up with black color. And by doing this, we have a pretty good eye. I mean, it looks really good. So draw another line at the top parallel to the one, and then start drawing the eyebrow on the brow line. The shape is very simple, just a stroke, a straight stroke, and then a small curve for the eyebrow, and for the bottom of the eye just a straight line, and draw a curve and then extend it forward, and then there's another small curve to the side of the eye. Take a screenshot and it will help you practice. Now we're going to draw the other eye. Because we're drawing a 3/4 view, this eye is supposed to be smaller, and the shape of this eye will be different from this other eye that we just drew. So just follow what I'm doing here, just a curve, and the same thing we did with the other eye. I'm just going to fill this with black color, and we're going to make the line, the strokes, a bit more thicker and give it shape of the eye. So as you can see, we finished drawing two eyes, and you can tell that this is a 3/4 view, and that's why this eye looks a bit different. Just draw another line which is parallel and start drawing the eyebrow again. So a simple straight line followed by a curve, and then just attach it again, and that's it. That's how you draw the eyebrow. Alright, so the eyes look really good. So because it's a 3/4 view, this eye needs to be a bit lower than the other eye, so I'm just going to move that eye just slightly below because the character is facing in a 3/4 angle. So This is the shape that needs to follow when you're drawing a three-quarter view. These lines, these guidelines will help you understand how the eyes should be next to each other. So try drawing the eyebrows on that brow line that you see there, and you can change the shape of the eyebrows, you can change the shape of the eyes, and by changing the shapes of the eyebrows, you can get different characters. That's how you draw different characters. You can achieve different looks. So try and experiment with the eyes. While drawing the nose, just simply draw a straight line and then draw a small curve and extend it all the way downwards. So this is basically how you draw a nose. It's very simple actually. So all you have to do is start by drawing a curve. I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So just start by drawing a curve, a gentle curve, followed by another curve, and then just extend it gently downwards. Start with a straight line and then draw a curve and then extend it downwards. Just 3 simple steps to draw the nose. No need to complicate it at all. So that's how you draw the nose. Simple. And end the nose at this circle line that you're seeing here. Now we're going to draw the mouth. Just a straight line. Again, gently just a straight line. And from the top, just extend it. A gentle curve. And from the bottom, just make it parallel to the upper line, and then make the sides a bit darker, and then just add one more line at the bottom, and that's it. So changing the shapes of the eyes, the nose, the mouth, the jawline, this will give you the ability to create new characters, your own characters and different characters. So experiment with that. And now we're gonna draw the ear. So just see what I'm doing first, and I'm going to explain how to draw the ear. It's very simple, just some lines and some curves, that's it. Well, it's really easy. I'm sure you already understood how to draw the ears, but I'm going to explain it again. So first, what we're going to do is start with a line, a straight line or a curved line, and then another curve. And then we're going to draw a line and attach it to the bottom of the face. Just draw a line and then another line and extend it downwards, and at the bottom of the ear you need to draw a curve. It's really hard to explain it, but it's very easy to draw. You just have to take a screenshot and try it yourself. Now we're gonna move on to drawing hairs. Now, let me tell you, drawing hairs is actually very difficult. So this one requires a lot of practice, a lot of observation. So what I really recommend when drawing hair is try to get a good reference, or try to have a good imagination of hair. But if you're a beginner, then try to get references, because you can't imagine this. There are too many hairs here while drawing an anime boy. There's so many different hairstyles, so it's very difficult. But as you can see here, I'm just using simple strokes here, and I tried drawing 4 different hairstyles and none of them worked, but this one somehow worked out. So I just kept drawing. Just observe what I'm doing here, and I'm going to make a complete tutorial dedicated to just hair, and I'm going to make it as easy as possible to understand. But in this video, just observe what I'm doing and try to understand what I'm doing. And I really recommend using a good reference while drawing hairs, because it will save you a lot of time. Now for this, I did not use any reference. I just drew it from my imagination, so it took me a lot of time. But I'm just using simple strokes here, and if you practice it a few times, you'll get it right. But I'll definitely make the tutorial about hair, but for now, just observe this, I guess. You can always erase these strokes and you can always change them. You can experiment with them, and here's a speed paint of the process that I just did. And here you can see that I tried out so many different hairstyles. I drew like 4 different hairstyles, I guess, and none of them worked out. So drawing hair is very difficult, but I'm gonna make that video. I'm gonna make a dedicated video about drawing hair, and I'm going to upload it very soon. So I hope you guys learned something from this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and support me, and check out some other videos from this channel right here. Thank you.